Start.
Hi guys, I am going to say about a small case study on DME, design of machine elements. In the design of machine elements, we are going to see about joints. What are joints? The connection of two links is known as joints. And there are two types of joints, permanent joint and temporary joints. The permanent joints are welded. For example, welding is a permanent joint. We can't make any operations after the welding, it's a permanent one. And for a non-temporary joint, there's a screw type and those are the temporary joint. Here that is that on the
How in dimensional and machining elements, we are going to see about design machine elements DME. We are going to see about four quadra joint, which means quadra. The word represents four. Four joints. You know what is a joint? We are joining two links is known as a joint. So here in quadra joint, how it works means in four directions. The joint which moves in four different directions is known as a quadra joint. For example, we take a small toy which is a car. We move it in all dimensions. We are going in front, back, and we drive it in the left, right, like this in all the four directions. So hence the joint in which we use the four different types of elements. For example, let's take a robotic arm, which we are using in our RPS lab. In our RPS lab, we have used a robotic arm. For example, we take that robotic arm. We are going in front, back, and we drive it in the left, right, like this in all the four directions. So hence the joint in which we use the four different types of elements. For example, let's take a robotic arm, which we are using in our RPS lab. In our RPS lab, we have used a robotic arm. For example, we take that robotic arm. We are about four quadra joint, which means quadra. The word represents four. Four joints. You know what is a joint? We are joining two links is known as a joint. So here in quadra joint, how it works means in four directions. The joint which moves in four different directions is known as a quadra joint. For example, we take a small toy which is a car. We move it in all dimensions. We are moving the robotic arm in four different directions. One is up, down, and left, right, and all, and something in a diagonal positions, and also in opposite diagonal positions. In all the four directions, a robotic arm is moving. So hence, all the four directions when the robotic arm moves, it's known as the quadra joint. So this is majorly used in many of our industries, in some of our CNC machines and in some of our major manufacturing machines, and it is used in all our industries, all in a collectionly we use quadra joints in many areas. Next will be continued.
So, while coming to the quadra joint in the sense, as I have said, there are multiple weldings, types of joints. It is a permanent joint as well as temporary joint. In permanent joint, we can allow the building, which also be converted into a temporary joint. Temporary joint in the sense the threading as well as the pasting. While coming to basic things, pasting notebooks through gum. Likewise, we have this sort of gum. Likewise, so we have said that quadra joint in the sense almost four joints which is included in the single object to allow continuing the same motion. The force to make a mechanism is known as quadra joint. In brief, it is said to be 4 points interrelated to each other to run a signified mechanism. This is known as quadra joint. As he has said, for example, a remote control. In remote control car, it moves along the left and right as well, front and up, then right and left likewise. So it is the major case study on remote control of cars which we are working on. Thank you.